Hey guys, what's up? Today, I'm going to be talking about how to earn money by promoting products. This is a great way to make money online, and it's something that anyone can do, regardless of your experience or skill level. There are a few different ways to promote products online, but the most common way is to create content that is related to the product and then promote that content to your audience. This could include writing blog posts, creating videos, or even just posting on social media. Another way to promote products is to become an affiliate marketer. This means that you sign up with a company that sells products and then promote those products to your audience. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. There are a lot of different products that you can promote online, but it's important to choose products that you're passionate about and that you think your audience will be interested in. If you're not excited about the product, then it's going to be difficult to promote it effectively. How to choose the right products to promote. When choosing products to promote, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. 1. Choose products that you're passionate about. If you're not excited about the product, then it's going to be difficult to promote it effectively. 2. Choose products that your audience will be interested in. Think about the types of content that your audience likes to consume and what kind of products they're likely to be interested in. 3. Choose products that have a high commission rate. The commission rate is the percentage of the sale that you'll earn when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase. You want to choose products that have a high commission rate so that you can make a decent amount of money from each sale. How to create content that promotes products. Once you've chosen the products that you want to promote, you need to start creating content that promotes those products. This could include writing blog posts, creating videos, or even just posting on social media. When creating content to promote products, it's important to be authentic and transparent. Don't just try to sell your audience on a product. Instead, share your own honest opinion about the product and why you think it's worth buying. You should also make sure that your content is informative and helpful. People are more likely to buy a product if they feel like they know what they're getting. So, make sure to provide your audience with all the information they need about the product, including its features, benefits, and price. How to promote your content. Once you've created content that promotes products, you need to start promoting that content to your audience. This could include sharing it on social media, submitting it to directories, or even running paid advertising campaigns. When promoting your content, it's important to target the right audience. You want to make sure that you're promoting your content to people who are likely to be interested in the products that you're promoting. You should also make sure that your content is easy to find and share. Make sure to include links to your content in your social media bios, email signatures, and website. How to become an affiliate marketer. If you want to become an affiliate marketer, the first thing you need to do is sign up with a company that sells products. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can choose from, such as ShareASale, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. Once you've signed up with an affiliate network, you can start choosing products to promote. The affiliate network will provide you with a unique affiliate link for each product that you choose to promote. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the product and the affiliate network. How to track your results. It's important to track your results so that you can see what's working and what's not. You can use YouTube Analytics to track things like views, watch time, and engagement. You can also use affiliate tracking tools to track the number of sales that you're generating from your affiliate links. By tracking your results, you can identify what's working and what's not so that you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Promoting products on YouTube is a great way to make money online. However, it's important to create high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience and to be transparent about your relationships with brands. If you can do these things, you'll be well on your way to success.